How does clean transportation become tangible? How can e-mobility match the way the world moves? How will EV charging performance, reliability, safety, and cost all click into place? It takes partnership. As North America's largest EV cable manufacturer, Southwire helps connect the dots and stretch the limits of EV charging, supporting e-mobility innovators and OEMs with world-class cable engineering, manufacturing, and services. Charging solutions designed for reliability and positive EV driving experiences. We're fueled by our sustainability mission, massive scale, and modernization to deliver the unique features equipment suppliers need on time, to precise specs, and made in America. Engineering for the future with patented liquid cooling that allows megawatt charging in demanding environments and inductive charging technology for charge-as-you-drive convenience. Let's put sustainability in motion together. Your ideas and Southwire's experience. Visit southwire.com to connect with our team.